When it comes to gardening, there's so many different benefits. There is physical labor, exercise, accomplishment, self-sufficiency. There is plant knowledge, learning how to feed yourself and feed a community.
Gardening supports mental health by helping to boost your mood, decrease your stress, give you opportunities to look forward to the growth of your plants, build self-esteem, and connect with other people.
There is a boost in your serotonin levels, keeping the brain happy and content. There is improvement of your immune system, better sleep at night, resetting your circadian rhythms.
Growing your own food also supports your own nutrition. Gardening also supports attention and focus. Being outside can help to boost our creativity and help our minds to restore in a way that helps us to move forward with the greater ability to focus on the rest of the tasks of life.
And more importantly, there's just the fun and feeling of being a part of something that you get by working and managing a garden.
Gardening also offers the opportunity to try something new in a really low-risk environment. But there's so many ways that you can build your skill set and have a lot of fun doing it.
Never stop gardening.